This video here was basically made to support Rayman's 30th anniversary right here. You're basically welcome, Ubisoft, so dudes, enjoy the damn video.
Reno has more gold per capita than any other city in America.
Right, what's up guys? This is the NTGX back after a long absence in the the YouTube community or something. I haven't posted anything in like a month or something. Well, content-wise, I've just been sending posts or something. So yeah, sorry for that or something. I was trying other things in media, like reaction videos, but those didn't really go too well. So yeah, so I do a new Let's Play series, just give Donkey Kong Jungle Beat a bit of a break. And why not play Rayman Origins to celebrate Rayman's 40th anniversary? Or was it 30th? Hang on, I'll be a second. Oh yeah, it's the 30th anniversary. So yeah, pretty much, you guys. I just thought I'd do. Oh cool! I haven't seen this before. Yeah, I did a Let's Play this game before or something, well, with my brother or something. So yeah, for the most part, I haven't 100% completed the game yet. But yeah, as much as I'd love to continue through this, I just want to start. I'm just gonna start the game already. This game saves states automatically. Okay. New game. And yes, when I finally figure out how to, yeah, I will eventually update my content soon enough. I'm still technically new on this kind of stuff. So yeah, I will properly digitize my content very, very soon. So yeah, I feel like this is slightly zoomed in. Sorry for that if that's the case. I can't lie, if this gets honestly, if this video gets up to like 15 likes maybe or something, which I don't think will happen, I'm not sure. I'll probably do some of the other games in the series, like maybe the original trilogy. But yeah, after this, I'm certainly doing Legends. Then again, I'm honestly kind of glad that, you know, Ubisoft's finally giving Rayman attention. But yeah, they literally removed Rayman Mini off iPhone stores from what I saw. Like they took it down off the Apple Store. Kind of rubbed me sour or something, since, you know, literally all of Rayman's mobile games are now dead. Yeah, as much as this game's great or something, yeah, the obvious annoying things about it is that it didn't sell well when it came out. You know, gamers were more into action-heavy games like Call of Duty or something, rather than this or something, which is like Saturday morning-esque. Hell, I think another game that was really hyped up or something came out literally 4 days after this game or something, or before. I don't know. I'm guessing after. Right. Hey, happy slappy hero or something. Looks like the old master's blowing bubbles again. I'm completely kooky. It's gonna take a lot of elections to fix him this time. Fascinating. Wonder what's on this side. Oh, hey, buddy. Yep, that's the dude you need to get skull teeth for. There's the hat. Plus, a little action in the glade. Seems you've raised the Livid Dead just by snoring on the job. What, this game came out in 2011? The gap between Rayman 3, Hoodlum and Havoc and this was, you know, long enough or something. You know, it was long enough for... It was reasonable he was sleeping on the job. Ubisoft probably wasn't calling him or something. Yep, he's not speaking. Might as well start the story, I suppose. Snoring tree. Right, here's gibberish jungle. Well, let's frickin' do this. Yep, I annoyingly can't punch yet. Oh, there's Patilla. Let me out, jump! Alright, get the hell back here. Don't freaking run away from me. Right. Oh. Yeah. This redesign's honestly kind of interesting. Like, seriously, they didn't really have to make the nymphs this hot or something. I don't find them hot or anything. I'm just saying, loads of others have. Hell, even a skeleton or something. It's pretty much a YouTuber who... Okay, I nearly died. Right, definitely speedrunning now. Hardy ha. Ow. Son of a bitch. That loading took longer than I thought. Back to the game now. Crap. Get back here. Anus. Oh, I can't hover yet. Alright, seems like I actually have to use my brain here or something. Seriously, I'm too used to, you know, the point in the game I was in or something. Nice. Yep, of course I don't have enough to get the medal thing. Boo-hoo. Then again, I'm not really trying to 100% this game. Maybe I am or something. Maybe I'll do a run at some point, like me 100%ing this game. Nice. Next level. Probably the first proper level, well, the first proper level in Rayman Legends. Well, in the back to Origin stages. Don't know why they included them, but it's kind of nice. Back to the game now. Yeah, I'm trying to be quick or something since, yeah, my previous Jungle Beat part or something, like part 2 of that, didn't exactly do too well or something. You know, due to it being like half an hour long. You know, pretty much me constantly yapping. Those lazy fellow lungs are lungs. I know. They're packed with energy. Okay. Give me them. Ah. Right, don't need that extra heart, even though I technically do. You know, for the lungs pretty much. Oh, crap. Crack! Oh, that was nice. The bubble either. Nice. Shit. Give me those wretched lumps. Nice. Hang on. Did I miss something here? Right, thankfully not, from what I recall. I know that's what I'm doing, game. I know how to sprint. Ow, you son of a bitch. Ah! Nope. Nope. Nice. Right, nice. Damn it! Right, no invincibility frames there for some reason. Almost died. Can't lie, I am a little rusty or something, not gonna lie, considering it's been a good long while since I last played this in Legends. Yep, I definitely did not get enough or something. Oh well. Ah, new character unlocked in the snoring tree. Cool. I don't know what that is. Ah, apparently these dudes have been unlocked. Fascinating. Yeah, I'm sticking with Rayman. He's the main character after all. Right. Alright, I suppose I'll end the video off here or something. I'll be going through the rest of Gibberish Jungle or something very, very soon. I mean, sorry if this was like... I did want this to be a bit longer or something. But yeah, I'm sort of on a deadline here since I am pretty much going back... Since I'm currently at my dad's recording this or something. You know, since the 360... Like, the Xbox 360 was moved here. Like, pretty much moved into my room or something. My setup's pretty sick, but I'm not going to bother showing it for the hell. Mostly since I don't feel like it, and that would take a bit too long. Well, thanks for watching, dudes. Hopefully you comment or something if you feel like it, or if you notice a problem or something, or if you feel like there's more I could have done here. I don't know if there was. Like, yeah, just like and subscribe if you feel like it. Please subscribe, it really helps the channel or something. I could chat more if I want to, but I don't want this video to get too long or something. Right, good day, dudes. This has been the NTGX, and I'm just gonna go do something else with my life now. I may post again if this gets a decent chunk of views. Or I'll make another YouTube short or something. Bye, I guess. Like I said, bye.